Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how are we going to add a phone number in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we need to do, guys, is we need to open, of course, the Meet or Google Meet website. Okay, and after that, guys, you need to go to the top left corner, or not just one, as you can see here on the icons here. So you see this settings icon, so click that one, guys, and the settings will pop up. Okay, so we have here a audio, video, call has history, and of course the general. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we need to only just go to the general. Okay, and there's a lot of options here, but just go to the here, guys. So it says that add or change your phone number. Okay, so adding your phone number in Google account lets you call others and be called by them using that number. Okay, so you just have to click this one, guys, and it will take you to your Google account, and you can actually add a phone number just two. Okay, so that's how are you going to add a number or phone number on Google Meet, guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.